Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Frankie, I'm a hairdresser, and in this video I tried co-washing for a month so you don't have to. Let's get straight into it. So after the first co-wash, you could probably see from the videos and the pictures that I've put up here that my hair was still really frizzy and it hadn't really taken to the co-washing that well. Obviously, I wasn't expecting it to be sort of perfect after the first time, but it was mega frizzy. But what I will add at this point was at the first time I did it, so I did all the co-washing, I washed my hair with just conditioner, just once. I smothered my hair in conditioner and I massaged my scalp for like 5 minutes because I was so worried that the conditioner just wouldn't lift the dirt. So I did that and that was absolutely fine. I was really happy with the cleanliness of my hair after the first wash. I was like, this is amazing. I never thought it would be this clean. But I was kind of thinking that I would get better results because it dried so frizzy. But the reason that it dried so frizzy, I think, was probably because the first few times that I co-washed it, I didn't want to use any products. I just wanted to sort of let my hair get naturally used to sort of being just washed with conditioner, not using shampoo. So that's probably another reason that the first couple of weeks was really frizzy. So now we'll go on to week 2 and I'll show you a picture of my hair from behind on week 2. I think I had this picture was probably taken the 3rd time I had washed my hair with just conditioner, because I've gone from like once a week washing with shampoo and conditioner to twice a week with just conditioner. It does feel like it gets dirtier a bit quicker, and because I'm using quite a lot of product in it, it just feels like it needs cleaning a little sooner. So I'm usually conditioning it twice a week, co-washing it twice a week. So this was probably the 3rd time that I had co-washed my hair. So as you can see from this first picture, it does look quite frizzy still in areas. You can definitely see the curls more individually, but I do think that there's still a lot of frizz at the root, and this is what leads me to week 3. And I basically decided to cut all my hair off because I wasn't happy with the frizz. And I thought maybe it had something to do with the length of my hair and the dryness of my hair. And I was 100% right. Okay, so now we're on to week 3. And I cut my hair, which I uploaded last week. So go and check that out because it was really fun. And I'm super happy with the haircut. But let's talk about how my hair changed in week 3. So I've cut in this lovely little fringe, which has a mind of its own, let's just add. And because I took a few inches off the length and brought in some layers through the sides, it's really enhanced my natural curl. So I'd say maybe if you're a couple of weeks into co-washing and you're thinking, my hair's really dry, all it does is frizz, this is really sad, then get a haircut. It'll change your life. It's changed mine. I'm so happy with it. So I'll put up a picture now of my fresh haircut the day that I cut it. Again, super happy with it. And I'll add that at this point, I started using products. So one of my fantastic clients has curly hair and has always just worn it curly, never straightened it, never curled it, never done anything to her hair other than worn it curly. And she was like, this is the product for you. You need this product. And I was like, okay, wow. R&B Lush Hair Moisturizer. There's a huge change. I think you can see in the picture that I showed you, I'll show you another one here, that it's 100% changed my hair. It's just looking a lot curlier. There's a lot less frizz. Everything that it's said to do is happening. So I'm super happy about that. So because we've just gotten to week 3 and this is when I discovered my new favorite product in the entire world, I'm gonna show you how I've been using it in my hair. So you just like unscrew the lid, get the product in your hand, a good amount but not too much. And then we're gonna rub it together in our palms and distribute it throughout the hair by scrunching it into the hair. You can see I've tilted my head forward a little bit. That's so I can just get it right up to the root. So I'm just going in and then I'm just clenching a few times at the root just to make sure it's all really evenly distributed. So that's how I've been using it. Rub it into your hair a little bit, get it in the fringe if you've got a fringe, just get it all the way through. And then I get my hair in a microfiber towel. And if you've watched my video on wavy hair hacks, you know how I feel about microfiber towels. So now we are on week 4. This is the 4th week, and it's just getting better and better, to be honest. I think it's really changed my hair texture already, and I do think that it will continue to change it because the hair under here is like a lot wavier. I'm hoping that these front areas kind of lift up a little bit too, but it's not the end of the world if they don't, because I'm quite happy with it. I can just load it up with products in those areas. And the fringe is super cute, absolutely love it. And I'm gonna show you now how I dry my hair. Now I've decided that what I do is I put all my product in, I put my hair in my microfiber towel, so my hair's about 50% dry, so you can see how kind of wet it is in the video now. And then I get my diffuser and I simply just diffuse my hair from root to tip, holding it all quite close to crown, and I do that until it's dry. Some areas I'll twist, so like I might twist areas of my fringe, but I don't do it all the time. I didn't do it today, that's probably why it's gone wild, but who cares? I think with curly hair, you can do different things every day. Some days it looks amazing, other days it's just like having a day off, and that's fine. To summarize, I would definitely recommend co-washing if you have wavy, frizzy hair. Skipping the shampoo part of your routine is reducing the detergent and therefore making your hair more moisturized and getting your natural curl pattern back. If you haven't already tried the R&B Lush Hair Moisturizer, then I absolutely urge you to. I'm so happy with this product. I've been using it so much, and a little bit goes a really long way. It's not too expensive, it's like mid-range price, and it smells amazing. So I'd really recommend that. And microfiber towel is another one. I forgot to tell you guys that I've only been brushing my hair with a wide tooth comb in the shower, so you should get yourself a wide tooth comb. If you go co-washing, you need to get rid of a hairbrush altogether. I did a video on wavy hair hacks before. If you want to have a look into that, then that might help you if you're sort of starting this co-washing journey. But I would 100% recommend it because it has really changed my hair texture. My hair is a lot less frizzy now, and that was kind of the main reason that I wanted to do it. I love to wear my hair naturally curly, but it's always frizzed up, like it goes mad. That's kind of my 4 weekly review on co-washing. I've had an absolute blast, and I'm going to continue to do it. And I would definitely urge you to do it if you have curly or wavy hair. I've probably said that a million times. I feel really passionate about this, obviously, you can probably tell. I'm going to wrap up this video here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate your support. And leave in the comments below if you're thinking about co-washing, if you've been co-washing, maybe you didn't get on with it, maybe you did. I'd love to know everything you have to say. I will hope to see you soon, and I'll have another video up next week. Lots of love. Bye.